Not this one? It's a bigger?
Waikiki Beach. It's just 1,160 here in Hawaii. Yeah, how much is it? 500. But
Yeah, I know. You
that one
yeah,
is
yeah,
better
yeah.
because it's
Yeah,
just
yeah, yeah.
100 difference.
I know what you mean.
Yeah. What is it?
International market?
International market?
Yeah.
Oh, they have tree here in the mall.
But a fake tree.
It's a fake?
Yeah.
Really?
I have heard of fake tree.
It's fake tree?
Yes.
How come it's fake tree?
I don't know. So, 腐らないでしょ。Japanese.
Japanese. Here?
Yeah.
This one is Monstella, right? No?
Yeah.
Real
Yeah,
one.
Maybe.
This one in English it's Monstella, right?
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Because in Japanese it's Monstera. Because I bought it in IKEA.
Fake?
But it looks
Fake,
real.
fake, fake.
This one is fake? You think so?
Maybe fake.
I think it's not.
Maybe?
I don't think so.
Oh, really? This one?
This one is real.
Oh, really?
Look, it's getting brown. You should pinch
Oh,
it.
really?
Try pinching
Yeah.
it. Rolex.
小松ね。
What?
小松ね。
Komasumete.
小松ね。
They speak Japanese?
Yeah, Japanese 小松ね。
I'm here in my friend's house. The view here is so amazing. It's so beautiful. So you're paying 2,000 US dollars every month?
Huh?
You're paying 2,000 US dollars every month?
Yeah.
1,800?
So that's like 日本円20万。
20 yeah. But this is amazing. Like you will wake up in the morning every day here. Yeah, this is my dream. Japanese. What's inside the Aloha burger? There's no pineapple. Ooh, no pineapple. Pineapple. The pineapple is so small.
Oh, pineapple?
Yeah, so
Oh,
small.
really? Do you like pineapple in hamburger?
That's why I chose Aloha Burger. Hey, come here. I'm going to give you McDonald's or Locomoco. How much is this?
I don't know.
Let's check. But it has strap. This is the paper bag. And this is the real bag. Almost the same. Yeah, it's always raining and then it will stop and it will rain again.
So skull.
Huh?
Skull.
Skull?
Yeah.
What's that?
So sometimes rain, sometimes sunny. So short rain is skull.
Sandy!
Hermes.
Where? Oh, Hermes.
Valentino.
Valentina. I've never been in Valentina shop.
Me too.
Flowers. Fresh flowers. Hibiscus?
Yeah.
Is it? I didn't know it's hibiscus. I thought it's from the tree. I thought hibiscus is from the tree. No?
Maybe no, right?
No. I didn't know. Franchise?
Franchise.
This one?
So
Get dirty.
yeah, get easily, right?
What do you think?
No need.
No.
Definitely no need.
I really need you when I go shopping.
So
You always stop me.
I recommend. I can buy soon.
Why not buy now?
Nothing my favorite machine.
Oh, because you like the monogram. This one is only 640. It's really cheap. And I don't like the white one.
So this one, high cut is for taller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not
Shorter
tall.
is not
Yeah.
good one.
It's not bad.
So like a Korean or Chinese?
Honolulu slipper. Hello, ma? Lahat. Kasi yung binili kong... You don't like it?
Yeah, it's okay. I don't like this one.
Yeah.
I hate it.
I
hate
actually
it.
don't like this one.
I hate it.
I tried this last 4 days ago, but they're not releasing it yet. Huh? I got my Louis Vuitton here in Hawaii. I'm so happy.
Love you all the time.
Put your eggs there.
Ano may lalagay?
LV. LV. Charcoal?
Charcoal, yeah.
Charcoal pancake?
Yes. So healthy.
I haven't tried it.
Charcoal. Charcoal take bad things and the food.
Oh,
Yeah. So good diet.
Loco. It's my first time to eat this charcoal pancake. It really looks like a pancake. I mean, it really looks like a charcoal. It's like I'm eating charcoal, a soft charcoal. It's fucking dark over here. It's so bright right here. Why is Hawaii like this? Look, there's sand on my drink. Bitch. Bretman Rock.
Maybe everybody.
CBD. CBD, or cannabidiol, is a chemical compound found in...
We're going to try to go up there. Challenge. And we're seeing a endangered monkey climbing up a tree. So this is what I bought in the Louis Vuitton store a while ago. So in front it's just a plain black sweater, but when you turn, ta-da! It's monogram Louis Vuitton.